Welcome back to Sketch Lab for Kids. In part 1, we explored creating a dynamic drip effect, and today we're going to keep the fun going with part 2, how to draw a super cute ice cream cone. So let's grab your sketch pads and your favorite markers, and let's get started on this sweet design. Kawaii style characters are known for their rounded edges and simple shapes. On the left I have a safety compass, on the right circle template. These are tools that can be used, like I said, to assist in creating these basic shapes and these rounded edges. So I'm going to go ahead and start here with the cone, so drawing that diagonal line. And we are going to have a little bit of overlapping with some of these drips. So I'm going to add a little drip here on the right hand side. And this is going to be, like I said, going over the cone on the right hand side. I'm going to curve a line down the base of this cone. Once again, that's a characteristic of Kawaii style characters, rounded edges, rounded corners. So I'm drawing a line that curves down, and in the middle, we're going to have a drip that we're going to add, and this is going to create overlapping, and that is a technique to create space. So artists, we can make a flat piece of paper appear to be three-dimensional by using overlapping. Once again, a line that curves to the right, and now we're going to have another line that curves to the right. So I'm going to go ahead and curve a line down. And then once again, in the center of this, we are going to have a drip. I'm now going to go ahead and curve a line to the left. And we're going to finish it off with one more line that curves to the left. For the head of our ice cream cone, I'm going to go ahead and curve a line to the left. Okay, I'm going to work on the top now, and I'm going to curve a line to the left. I'm going to draw a little circle for the cherry and add the stem. On the right hand side now, I'm just going to be curving a line to the right, a small one, and then another line that curves to the right to finish off the head. So once again, these circle templates do come in handy to create these simple shapes and rounded edges, but especially for these big expressive eyes, get these circles drawn, especially this 2 white dots inside the eye as well. You're going to find that the circle templates will really help you out, especially with the expressions on these characters. So I want you to know a couple things about these expressions. Is one, these eyes are relatively large compared to the face, and there are also highlights inside the eyes. These 2 white dots emphasize the cuteness of the character. I'm going to add 2 eyelashes. One's going to be a little bit more rectangular and one's going to be more rounded like a oval. So you notice details are often kept to a minimum when creating these expressions, and it keeps the focus on the overall charm rather than complexity. In part 3, we're going to be using acrylic paint using a monochromatic color scheme, and I'm going to show you how to create depth and dimension with just one color. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.